Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Sarah. I create beauty and lifestyle content here in YouTube. Please take a moment to join our family by clicking subscribe button. So today's video is about cluster lashes. Keep in mind, I am a rookie too. I have used cluster lashes maybe 3 times till now, and this is the 4th time, and I'm gonna share with you the rookie mistakes I made so you will not make the same. So what are cluster lashes? So cluster lashes are somewhere in between traditional lashes and lash extension. Traditional lashes can be used only for a day, versus cluster lashes, once you set, it can stay anywhere between 1 week to 10 days. Depends on the quality of it. So cluster lashes are basically these individual lashes with different sizes and different styles. You can customize your lashes according to your style. This literally takes anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes for beginners, and if you are used to it, it might take 2 to 3 minutes to put it on. This will stay up to 1 week if you do it properly. You might wonder what is the difference between cluster lashes and lash extension. So cluster lashes are basically wider, if you can see. So this is going to cling to your natural lash once you use the glue. Lash extensions are done by professionals, where they usually like segregate one lash and like add a bulk of lashes to your one lash. Lash extension cannot be done in home. You need a lash tech for that, versus this one is DIY. You can do it in your home. To do this, you only need 3 tools. It's basically 2. I would recommend this also because this helps a lot. First one is the eyelash curler. I would say get a good quality one that can grab all your lashes and like curl it pretty good. And then you need a lash spatula. This is to grab or hold your lashes when you apply. I also recommend you to get one of these, or even the disposable spoolies, whatever you have, both works. For me, I find this very useful to remove or even to apply, because this kind of goes right between the lashes and you can comb through. This helped a lot while removing than applying. Honestly, just putting out if you want, buy. For applying clusters, you need cluster lashes, of course, and you can buy any style you like. I got natural wispy ones. These lashes are numbered here, right, starting from 10 till 14, but there are like pack with 16 too, which is like a little bit longer than this one, but with natural lashes I find this is fine. And then you need a bond and the seal. Bond is the actual glue, versus seal is the last step to seal everything in. Alright, let's start. So before starting, make sure your lashes are clean. Make sure there is no product in your lashes. I generally wet this and like go over to make sure I have no products. Then take your favorite color, whatever you have, and then curl your lashes. While curling, rest this part with your eyelash like this, and then grab every hair and curl. Now this step is very important because you're going to attach your cluster lashes with your natural lashes, and you should have the visibility of the bottom line so you don't go near the waterline. Curl as much as you can. Make sure your eyelashes are not crisscross, because once you seal it will be very disturbing. Now the style which I'm going for today is round lashes, because I feel my eyes look way more better with that than cat eye. For the round lash eye look, you should have the smaller lashes on the corners and the longer one on the center of your eyes. As a first step, I'm gonna apply the lash bond. I'm gonna coat it on the bottom of my lashes like this. Make sure to apply enough, because this is going to hold your lashes, but don't overdo it. Once applied, make sure you take that to the length of your lash. Do one eye at a time because this bond dries out pretty quick. Meanwhile, my lashes are drying. I'm gonna use the seal for my bottom lashes. This makes sure my top and bottom lashes are not stuck together. Now I'm gonna use 10. While you remove, make sure you grab the base of it and pull upward. Once you take it out, then grab the tip of it. Because what I noticed is, like, if you grab from top, it might sometimes disturb the base and everything comes off. This. Make sure the curl is facing you. And now, like, go to the bottom of your lashes and connect this to your lashes like this. Now you have to make sure you're going as close as possible to your waterline, but you should not stick it to your waterline. So now I'm gonna go for the 12 mm one and stick it right next to it like this. Yeah. So I can do another 12 mm because bigger lash is going to be here, so I still have the space. I'm gonna use another 12 mm. Look it closer. Now I'm gonna go with 14. Make sure you hold your mirror down so you can like see the bottom of your lashes. 12 again. Now you can literally stop here, but I think I can add one more. So I'm gonna go with 10. Usually this will be the first one to come off for me. Use. So if it is sticking like this, put in a water or wet little bit, so that makes sure like this is not sticking. I don't know if it is visible, but I love it because this gives me natural but yet fluffy, wispy lash look. Once you're happy with the placement and everything, take the seal side of it and seal your lashes. Either you can wipe back and forth or back and forth like this, or use a spoolie to kind of go over your lashes. This takes away all the stickiness. Now I'll quickly do my left side and come back. Alright, now I have done both the sides and this is the final look. I love how wispy yet natural it is, and fact that I don't have to break my bank. The mistakes I did as a beginner or rookie is not using enough of bond. Because I was scared of using bond for the first time, I ended up using very less and it kind of started falling like on the third day. But when I did the next time, I used a good amount of bond. You should not overdo the bond, or you cannot like use it less. It should be like right in the middle. You just have to saturate your lashes with the bond and not more. So the second time I did the lashes, it stayed pretty good for almost around a week. First time I do this, I didn't use the seal on my lower lash line. This actually prevents the sticking of upper lash and lower lash together. So as soon as you apply glue, apply seal to the lower lash line. It goes messy if you don't use seal at the bottom. So how do you maintain this? In order for your cluster lashes to last for a week, you have to do small changes, of course. You cannot use oil products around your eyes, like even any oil cleansers around your eyes. This is going to break the bond and lashes comes off easily. So do not use any oily products around your eyes. The one I use to remove makeup or Garnier micellar water, the blue ones, do not rub your eyes so fast. Make sure like while you are in bath or anything, or even when you do the face wash, be gentle around your eyes, because if you go vigorously, it again takes off all your lashes. That's it. That's all the maintenance you need to know. Cluster lashes can be removed with oil, but it is very hectic process to do because I find this lash bond is not coming that easily even with the oil. You can easily take off the lashes, but the glue is going to stay there in your lash and you cannot remove it just oil. I always recommend to buy the lash remover. This definitely helped. I kind of like coat it around my lash line and let it sit for a good 5 minutes, and then I kind of start the spoolie to brush through, and that takes off all the lashes. That's pretty much it, and I hope you like this video and find it useful. If you do, then show your support by subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified next time I post something. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.